In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Binance US support. First, you will want to open the Binance.us website or the login page. You can do this by entering the web address in your browser. As the page loads, you will notice a clean layout designed to guide you through your cryptocurrency trading experience. This is your gateway to accessing all the features Binance.us has to offer. Making sure you are on the official website is crucial for your security. You want to avoid phishing sites. Once you have the website open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, look for the yellow help icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It resembles a question mark, and it is there to assist you with any issues you may encounter. When you click on this icon, it will pop up a menu of options that are tailored to help you find the support you need. This step is important because the help icon is your direct line to Binance's customer support resources. You will see various self-help options, but we will proceed to contact support directly. From there, scroll down in the help menu and select the option that says send us a message. This is an essential action as it allows you to communicate directly with the support team. Once you click on this option, a new window will open for you to fill in your message. You may be prompted to share your account details or describe your issue clearly. Being specific in your message helps the support team assist you more effectively. This makes sure your concerns are addressed promptly. Now, follow the prompts to contact support. You may need to select the category that fits your issue best, such as account access, trading issues, or technical difficulties. The prompts guide you through this process smoothly. Providing accurate information helps speed up your request. Once you have completed this step, you will see a confirmation that your message has been sent. This confirmation is reassuring, as it ensures that your query is now in the hands of the Binance.us support team. Additionally, you have another option for contacting support. You can call the number +1 844 900 1450. This line is available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Speaking with a representative can provide immediate assistance, especially for urgent matters. When you call, be prepared to explain your issue clearly. This will help the support staff assist you more effectively, ensuring you get the help you need. Live chat with a human is also available 7 days a week, from 6 a.m. to midnight Eastern Time. This option is convenient for those who prefer real-time communication. You can quickly get answers to your questions without waiting for email responses. This is particularly useful during busy trading hours when you might need immediate assistance. Finally, it is important to remember a security tip. Binance.us says it will never ask for your password, security codes, or for you to send crypto to an external wallet. Keeping this in mind protects you from scams and ensures your account remains secure. Always be cautious with your personal information. Now that you know how to contact Binance.us support, you can feel confident reaching out for help whenever you need it. Whether through the website, phone, or live chat, support is ready to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you navigate the support options effectively.